love animals? Do you smile when you see a cute dog or cat? Today, we're talking about one of the happiest topics in the world, pets.
Yes, pets make life better. They're cute, funny, and sometimes a little naughty, but we love them anyway.
And in this lesson, you'll learn easy English sentences, simple questions, and real conversations to talk about pets confidently. Stay with us till the end. We'll practice speaking, listening, and even storytelling.
Yes. Introduction. Why talk about pets?
Talking about pets is super common in English conversations. People love to share what pet they have, what their pet's name is, funny pet stories, what their pet likes to eat, how their pet behaves.
And it's a great topic to make friends. If you talk about pets, people smile instantly.
Exactly. So today, let's
Basic
learn
vocabulary,
step by step.
the pets we see every day. Let's start with simple words. Common pets: dog, cat, rabbit, bird, fish, turtle, hamster, parrot.
And here are words to describe them. Easy adjectives: cute, funny, friendly, quiet, active, playful, lazy, smart.
My favorite word is playful. Many animals love to play.
Absolutely. Repeat after me, viewers. Playful, friendly, cute.
Great job! Part 2. How to describe your pet. Beginner sentences. Now let's practice simple sentences you can use every day. Examples. I have a dog. My cat is very cute. I have a rabbit. He is friendly. My bird is small and colorful. My dog is very active.
And you can also talk about their personality. More examples. My dog is friendly. My cat is a little lazy. My parrot is very smart. My fish is quiet.
Viewers, tell us in the comments, how would you describe your pet? Cute? Friendly?
3.
Lazy?
Easy questions
Funny?
to ask someone about their pet. These are super useful. Questions. Do you have a pet? What kind of pet do you have? What's your pet's name? How old is your pet? What does your pet like to eat? Is your pet friendly? Where did you get your pet?
These are perfect beginner questions. You can use them with classmates, neighbors, or coworkers.
Yes, people love talking about pets.
Part 4. Full conversation example. Let's do a natural conversation.
Sure. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Oh, nice. What's his name?
His name is Bruno.
Aw, how old is he?
He's 2 years old.
What does he like to eat?
He loves chicken and sometimes my shoes.
Naughty dog.
Conversation 2. Beginner friendly.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I love cats.
Do you have a cat?
Not right now, but I want one.
If you get one, what will you name it?
Maybe Milo.
Talking about pet habits, actions, and verbs. Now let's practice verbs. Common pet actions: run, jump, sleep, eat, play, bark. Dogs: meow, cats, chirp, birds.
I love this part. Pets do funny things. Examples: my dog loves to run. My cat sleeps all day. My bird sings in the morning. My rabbit jumps a lot. And my dog plays with a ball.
Viewers, repeat after me. My pet sleeps a lot. My pet loves to play. My pet eats everything.
Part 6. Describing your daily routine with your pet.
Let's create longer sentences now. Examples: I take my dog for a walk every morning. I feed my cat at night. I clean my fish tank once a week. I play with my rabbit after school.
And if you love your pet, you can say, I take care of my pet. My pet is part of my family.
Part 7. Story practice. Slow, clear, easy. Now I'll tell a short story. Story: My friend's cat. My friend Sarah has a cat named Coco. Coco is white and very cute. Every morning, Coco sits near the window. She waits for the sunlight. She loves warm places. In the afternoon, she plays with a small ball. At night, she sleeps on Sarah's bed.
Aw, that is so sweet.
Viewers, what does your pet do
Ask
every
your
morning?
viewers questions. Engagement section.
Now it's your turn. Questions for viewers. Do you have a pet? What is your pet's name? What does your pet like to eat? Is your pet funny, lazy, or active? What's the cutest thing your pet does? If you don't have a pet, what pet do you want?
Answer in the comments. We love reading your answers.
Amazing job today. You learned how to talk about pets, describe pets with easy adjectives, ask questions, answer naturally, tell small stories, use simple actions and verbs.
And now, you can speak confidently about one of the happiest topics ever: pets.
Don't forget to comment your pet's name and subscribe for more easy English conversations.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.